It's that time again. It's a Seabolt Jer-Bear solo toy review. Welcome back, YouTube Nation. It's time for another Masters of the Universe toy review. This time we're going to go after a vehicle. We are going to go after Stridor, the heroic armored horse. Normally came with Fisto, or by itself, but I always pictured Fisto more than the back of it, to where it has He-Man on it. This horse with me has always resonated to be in Fisto, so we're gonna kind of open this up and see what we got. Looks like it comes with a whole lot more stuff, and of course it's just as tied in here as it could possibly get. All right, we got a clear stand. These things are becoming more common with these action figures. All right, let's see if I can get in here and if I can. Hiya! Hiya! Don't know where that one landed. Hiya! Good. I mean, I don't. Hiya! I don't understand these things. Uh-oh, hold on. Oh, thought I had them all. Got one. I missed that one too. All right. All right, we're gonna set Stridor aside. All right, got a little plank. That was cool. Lord, even the guns are sashayed away in here. Terrible. Let's see. All right, got the helmet. This is where a really good one hour later come into play. All right, we got some of that. All right, come on, gun. Oh wait, there's a fence. And there's a gun. All right, we did it! Woohoo! Yay! Let's get all this crap back in it. All right, here. There we go. All right, the box to never be seen again. Okay, so we have Stridor in all of his glory. And we also have a neat little stand that comes kind of Castle Grayskull-ish looking. Looks like this fence is gonna kind of go in. Let's see here. We're gonna go this way. It's gonna go that way. So we got two little fences on that. And then looks like this is gonna go, let's see. We'll put it this way. So the base, got that going just like that. All right, so the guns, exactly like the vintage. And it's got the, when we click it in, it's gonna go just like that. Same two guns. Pew, 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 pew. We have two helmets for Stridor. I'm pretty sure this is the not the cartoon, the original toys looking helmet, I believe. I don't remember this, but it's kind of like a dragon, got a little horn. We'll see what it looks like here very shortly. So let's set the base aside. Let's try to get this down just a little bit. So we got Stridor. Stridor is going to have some movable legs with actually some articulation, which is pretty cool. He's got some articulation. It's almost Kentucky Derby time here from where I am. I would pick Stridor, and down the stretch they come. So he's got some knee articulation. I'm going to call that shoulder articulation right there. The knee would bend if that was a human, and then the foot or the hoof is moving up and down as well. So kind of good posability for Stridor. Let's throw some guns on here. Let's see. Yeah, they're going to go this way, I believe. Or are they going to go in this way? They're going to go in long ways. All right. As Stella says, I noticed something. I just noticed something, Daddy. All right, so obviously the tail, back turret gun, that's still the same. That's going to be there. Now, the mouth. And you just saw the neck move. Hello, I am Mr. Ed. So that's kind of cool. And then also the head movements, it goes up and down, kind of to the side. So you can have it kind of have that cool horse way. Now, it looks like this is going to go in the mouth, just like a bridle of a real horse would go. And then that will hold up here for one of our heroes to hold on to. Now let's take this helmet off and let's see what the kind of the skull helmet looks like. All right, let's have a gander. I don't know. That's pretty cool. Again, that's something that could be painted to make a whole lot of detail. It's got this Japanese samurai-ish kind of material on it. It does have the unicorn horn. Looks a little bit samurai-ish, Walking Dead-ish. Kind of the horse, not Walking Dead-ish, Game of Thrones. Kind of like the horses back then would look like. I think for now, that's the helmet I'm going to keep. And then let's see. So there's a hole on his belly. We're going to call that the belly button. And let's see what we can get here. Let's see. Click that in. And let's see. Uh-oh. Like, will it? I don't know what kind of poses we're going to have with this here. I'm going to kind of try to make him jumpy a little bit, maybe. And then there he is, looking like he's jumping over a fence, which is really, really cool. All right, give me 2 seconds. I'm going to run up and grab one of these Masters figures. And all right, and we're back. And of course, I bring Fisto down because this is the figure that I kind of put with Stridor. Let's see if it's going to go in. Let's see how this is going to work out. All right, he's in. And then I guess I'll show this to you here shortly. So if you have him on the other side, he's definitely not going to have to be able to hold both reins, but he does hold the rein in that. I mean, this is really looking good. Now, if I can get maybe that to, I don't know, kind of sit back in there like that. I'm shockingly surprised how much I like this. This toy back in the day, not so good. Will say that the articulation and the added features of the posability with the stand really makes this, because let's be fair, back in the day, this toy was a hunk of plastic and not so much fun. Matter of fact, back in the day when I was a kid, I actually had my parents purchase me some My Little Ponies more than these because they fit with the figures better, and the My Little Ponies, they all looked kind of cool, kind of looked colorful, kind of like the Masters of the Universe stuff. But yeah, I am in on Stridor. I'm very shocked by this. And with the new, I don't know how new the news is at this point, but there is a few other vehicles coming out that I'm really going to look forward to see. The Masters of the Universe line, I really want to get out of it, but I just can't because of stuff like this. When you walk in and you see this, everything is looking good. And I can't wait. I want the Snake Men. I want the Horde. I want them to start bringing these things out in droves to where it's looking pretty good. But I mean, this, I'm going to go ahead and give this a 9 out of 10. Actually, you know what? 10 out of 10. I think it looks, as I'm sitting here looking at it, it looks really, really good. Good job. Good job, Mattel. You did it. You did something. I mean, that's going to look great on a shelf, especially if you have Grayskull, which I do not. But if you have Grayskull sitting in the back, kind of at a distance, and this is kind of charging at you to get your perspective, that's going to look really, really cool. Now, the one thing that I will say is this could be an army builder, because in the cartoons and in comics and everything else, Stridor is not one character. It's like a clone. It's a robotic horse. So there are many of them. So you could actually have your whole fleet of He-Man riding around on Stridors. And I'm not so sure if I don't see them on clearance, I may get one or two more of these because these are just really cool. Hope you like this review. I'm surprisingly shocked. Good job, Masters of the Universe. Good job, Mattel. Stridor with Fistor, because he is the only He-Man character that should be riding him. Peace out, home skill